Let us study chemistry together with CBSE Chemistry tips and tricks.
If the speed of light is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second, calculate the distance covered by light in 2 nanoseconds. See, this question is a straight question. You know the equation for distance is what? Equation for distance is equal to speed into time, correct? Now what is speed? Speed is equal to 3 into 10 raised to 8. It's given in the question. And what is time? 2 nanosecond. What is nano? 10 raised to minus 9, correct? So now 3 into 2 is 6. 10 raised to 8 plus minus 9. So what is that? 6 into 10 raised to minus 1. So what is that? 0.6. What is the unit of distance? It is meter. Hope all of you understand.